Alright, what's up guys? Today we are going to be installing a downpipe. I got a good deal this weekend, and so yeah, we got the car on jacks. See there? So we're gonna show you guys how to install that quick and easy, and we have the downpipe back here in the trunk. Check this out. I have a bunch of clutter in here. Excuse the mess. But yeah, so I got this downpipe. It was originally catless, but the previous owner welded a Flowmaster's cat on here, right there. Anyways, so yeah, that's all I'm gonna be doing today. So let's get this done. But yeah, and shout out to my cousin. Let's get him making his YouTube channel for this beast over here. Check this thing out. This thing rips. 10 likes and we're doing a full straight pipe on this thing. Alright guys, so first step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove your cold air intake. I have a aftermarket one, so what I'm going to be doing here is just basically opening up this clip here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'll be able to remove all of this intake system. Check that. Cool. Anyways, and then you're going to want to remove the MAF sensor too. So then you have an open space to take off a bolt that's down here for the top of the downpipe. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys when this intake is off. Alright, so we got the intake off. You really don't need to remove anything. Just pop the coupler off and unbolt this one bolt here and the MAF sensor. And then you'll be able to have all this room. Don't know if you guys can see, but the bolt for the top of the turbo is right there. You guys probably cannot see that. But yeah, the bolts are right there. That's the other O2 sensor. You won't need anything else because that's connected to the turbo flange. And then that's the little KO3 back there itself. And then my cousin here is working on the bottom. And there's two braces. There's one there and one back there. He's working on this one. You got the we'd recommend using WD-40 to break the bolts on these, and so is the O2 sensor. But there's size 13 bolt, and yeah, so we're just letting the WD-40 sit, and then we're gonna be breaking those bolts for the braces, and then unclamp that, and we'll get back to you guys when we have this done. Also, quick tip, you're going to want to remove that exhaust hanger after you take off those brackets. That exhaust hanger is going to make it a lot easier to take off those bolts from the downpipe. Alright guys, so we're making progress here. We have basically, the downpipe's almost off. All we need is these bolts right here. Andy's working on it from the bottom over there. And so what we got going is we removed the O2 sensors with the O2 sensor tool. And basically we just have this hanger that's left. And he's just working on the 4 bolts over there. They are stuck, so it's pretty hard to get them off. And yeah, so we'll get back to you guys when those 4 bolts are off. Those are the 4 bolts that we're trying to take off, and they're pretty stuck on there, so we're working on that, and then we'll get back to you guys when this thing's done. Alright guys, and a quick important tip, you're gonna want to remove like this axle shield. It's only 2 bolts. That's a size 17. Compared to the rest, like the brace and stuff, it was 13. But yeah, that was just a quick tip for you guys, so you guys can have more room to get those bolts, so you can access it from the bottom. All right, guys. So what happened was basically we're going to go to O'Reilly's real quick and pick up a new wrench. We need like a bigger wrench. These turbo bolts that we needed to pry off. They weren't working with us. The ones behind here. So we're actually gonna go to the store right now and get some new a new wrench. Probably just gonna rent it or something. But yeah, we'll get back to you guys when we come back. Sheesh. Alright guys, so sorry for the bad quality or whatever. It's literally sun's going down and stuff. So anyways, all we have to do now is just break this one bolt right there. I don't know if you guys can see that because of the light and stuff. Right there. See if I can point it out. That bolt right there, you guys just literally have to take that one off. We got the 3 other bolts off. We had to use like this huge ass breaker bar. Yeah, so we got these bolts off. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Anyways. Alright guys, so basically what we got done was we were able to remove that top bolt, as you guys can see here. We just put it, I removed this, the metal piece that was there. I don't know if you guys, whatever. And then, so you have more space here. So we literally took like a big ratchet here, and we took another an extension that way towards the bolt. And we literally just hooked it up to the size it is. I don't know what size. I think it was a 13 or something like that. And we were able to pop this nut off. And yeah, so all we have to do now is unbolt the rest. The rest are already loose from underneath, the 3 underneath. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then we put the new one on. Yeah, we'll get back to you guys when that's done. Okay guys, so this is the bolt that was the hardest bolt to get to. We just attached a extension and luckily we were able to get it off. This is the hardest bolt. I recommend getting it from underneath. Alright guys, so after playing with this dumbass bolt that didn't want to come off for the longest time, we finally got this downpipe off. But yeah, check it out. We got the new one in here. Alright, so we got the new one here looking ready to be installed. Got the gasket. This is actually one gasket, but it came apart. But hey, we're still gonna use it. We got this one. I did buy the downpipe used, so that's why. Shout out to the guy that sold it to me for a seal. But yeah, anyways, that's it. We'll get back to you guys when the new downpipe's in. Alright guys, we got this stock downpipe on. I'm actually dying right now. This is so restricted. Like, talk about losing power compared to this. Basically just a straight pipe. Like, you try to shine the light through here and nothing comes out through there. Look at this. This is unbelievable. Nothing. So yeah, it's so restricted. Alright guys, so we got this downpipe set on. All we have to do is bolt it on the same way we took it off. We already put back the exhaust hanger thing here. And yeah, so all we have to do is bolt it on. I'm using the same gasket that was already on there. I got a new gasket. As you can see, I have this downpipe under warranty, so I just got that replaced like 2 weeks ago. And now we're getting this 3-inch downpipe. And yeah, so we'll bolt that on same way we took it off and put everything back. Alright guys, shout out to that loud ass truck. We got everything installed, everything's back up, MAF sensor's in, that coupler's in, you know, downpipe's all good, all the clamps. We put the shield on the control arm back on, so right now we're going to do a quick little cold start with the new downpipe. Let's see how that sounds. So we're in the car right now, it's warming up. So far there's 0 codes, but yeah, well, by the end of the night probably 100% code there. guaranteed. But yeah, we'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so it's the next day, and we have the downpipe on. I didn't get you an exhaust clip, so I'm gonna do it now. It was pretty late. It was like 12. At the beginning of the video, I said it was quick and easy. It took like 5 hours. Just doing this from my driveway with jack stands and stuff. I'm assuming if you had a lift, it'd be easier, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a little cold start and then a little drive by. Nothing too crazy, but yeah. Alright guys, so we're here at like a stoplight, and you can tell that it kind of does smell like gas. Even though I have a cat in it, you can still smell the gas.